Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to get Snapchat on your PC or Mac computer. The process is quite simple and all you need to do is download an emulator onto your computer. So the first step is to open up a web browser on your computer and search for BlueStacks. You can download other Android emulators if you want, but BlueStacks is one of the most popular ones. So once you're on the BlueStacks website, which is bluestacks.com, click on the green download button. Now wait for the download to complete, and once it is complete, click on it from the bottom left corner of your screen. You may have to enter in your admin account's password. Now the next step is to click on the Install Now button to install BlueStacks onto your computer. This process could take anywhere from between 5 to 10 minutes. And once the download is complete, BlueStacks will open on your computer and take you to the loading screen. Once the loading screen goes away, you will be taken to the BlueStacks homepage. On this screen, click on the Play Store option. And now you will need to sign in to your Google account in order to use the Google Play Store. So click on Sign In, enter in your login details, and click on Sign In once again. After signing in, you will be taken to the home page of the Google Play Store. On this page, click on the search bar at the top and search for Snapchat. And click on the Install button to install the app. Now wait for the app to finish downloading, and once it is done, click on Open. Now depending on your computer, you may see a pop-up saying your graphics settings need to be adjusted. Click on Apply and Restart from this pop-up. And now the app will restart and take you back to the home page. And you will notice that it now contains the Snapchat app as well. So click on the Snapchat app and log into your Snapchat account. And as you can see, you are now able to use Snapchat on your PC or Mac computer. By default, the app will also put a Snapchat shortcut on your desktop, so you can just click on this shortcut whenever you want to open Snapchat on your PC. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this. Also, like and share this video.